guys, welcome to my channel. It is your girl Dami, and if you're new here, do not forget to hit that subscription button, y'all. Smash that little bell so that you're notified whenever I do make another upload, and like this video just because, yeah. But you guys, to get started, I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this look here today. If you'd like to see how I achieved this look, then stay tuned. So to get started, I've already done my eyebrows. I use the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer in the color brown, dark brunette. So this is all I use. This is from the drugstore. It twists. I'm running out now. I'm running out, so I gotta get another one from the store. But I love this. I usually use the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade, but this works just the same. And I have to get another one. It's running out. So it comes with the crayon on the one side and then a spoolie brush on the other side. So I use that, as well as I use the Sephora concealer in the color Cream Caramel, and I use this under the bottom to brighten my under eye. And then I use my Fenty concealer in the color 390, and then I use this on top to just, I didn't want to put the same color for the top and the bottom because I really need to define the bottom more than the top. So that's all I did for my brows. Okay guys, so a lot of the things that I'll be using in this video are affordable drugstore products. So if you do not have the high-end items that I do show in this video, you do not really need them because you can get the same look using drugstore item as well. So right now I'm gonna start off with my James Charles Morphe palette. I use this mostly for my transition colors. Right now I do not know the names of the colors, but that's what we gonna do. So the little sheet that comes with the Morphe palette, it's now lost. So that's the only pet peeve I have with Morphe palettes, is that it comes with a little clear sheet over the colors, and then after a while it gets lost, and they do not have the names of the items in the back. So yeah, that's a pet peeve. But I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this brown shade right here. I'm gonna use that and go in my crease. Blend up. So after I put it in the crease, I go ahead and blend upwards. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take now the dark brown color right next to the other color I used. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that one and put it on the outer corner of my eyes, like so. Concealer in the color 390, and then apply it to my lids. Just to give it a little cut crease effect. I'm not really good at cut crease, but I try. So now that I've applied the concealer, I'm gonna now apply the glue over the concealer so that the glitter can stick. So this is the NYX glitter primer. So again, drugstore item. So this is a drugstore item, so I just go ahead and apply small amounts. Just a little small dollop. That is somewhat drying. I don't want it to dry too much. I'm gonna go ahead and take the NYX Glitter Brilliance, and this is the number 6. So now I'm gonna go back into the James Charles palette, and to clean it up, I'm gonna go ahead and use back the same color I used before, the first color. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this with this, kind of get it a little bit more defined in my crease. And then to clean up, I'm gonna go ahead and use some wipes just to clean away the excess glitter. Then I use the Maybelline Master Precise ink and use that to line my eyes. You guys, I'm not a good liner, but try. Maybelline Pumped Up mascara. Now on to my face. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer. If you guys have oily skin, definitely get you one of these because it works. I have really oily skin and I live by this stuff. honestly. If you do not have the Becca primer, you can definitely get the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock Primer. This one works as well. So if you guys do not have the Becca, you can definitely get you this one. So I'm just using the L'Oreal Matte I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. So I'm using this mixed with my Too Faced. Using these two mixed together because this one is a bit too light, so. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This look is so fun, so festive, so New Year's Eve. So for my lips, I did use I Put by Fenty in the Mademoiselle color. So I did apply this to my lips, and then to line I did use the color Current from MAC. And for my lashes, I used the brand Kiss in the name So Flirty. So this is a So Flirty look. It's so lightweight, so comfortable. I don't feel it. Okay, I don't like feeling things on my eyes, so for me that brand works best. It looks minky, but it's not mink, and hey, it works for me. And yeah, to finish off as well, I did go ahead and spray my face with the MAC Fix Plus, and this is the finished look. You guys, please comment below if you love this look. Would you try this look? I would definitely love to know. And this is it for the video, you guys. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.